Good afternoon to all. Today we will start the chapter Study of Compounds of Chemistry. Study of Compounds of Chemistry. Today's topic is hydrogen chloride HCl. Its molecular formula is HCl. Its molecular mass is 36.5 and the bond between the hydrogen and chlorides is a covalent bond. Its dot structure is hydrogen, chlorine. This is it's called dot diagram, or we can say also use structure occurrence. Glauber prepared the acid in 1648 by heating ammonia, so a common salt with concentrated sulfuric acid is muriatic acid. Davy in 1910 named it as the hydrochloric acid. Hydrogen chloride gas occur in free state in the volcanic emissions. Hydrochloric acid is present in gastric juice of mammals and it helps in digestion. General preparation of hydrogen chloride gas preparation by its different process are by synthesis, or we can say direct combination by synthesis. Moist hydrogen gas combined with the chlorine in the presence of diffused sunlight mean H2 in form of gas plus chlorine gas in diffused sunlight. It prepared two molecules of hydrochloric gas. The reaction is explosive in direct sunlight, but it is negligible in dark. So, however, in the presence of catalytics such as activated carbon, the reaction takes place even in dark. Number 2. By heating metallic chlorides. With concentrate sulfuric acid. Just as when sodium chloride is reacted with the sulfuric acid when temperature is below the 200 degrees Celsius, sodium bisulfate plus HCl. Or the same way, when the temperature is more than the 200 degrees Celsius, in that form, more than 200 degrees Celsius, it prepares sodium sulfate and two molecules of HCl, and then two molecules of sodium chloride. So, laboratory preparation of HCl gas. Laboratory preparation of HCl gas. Reactants required is sodium chloride and concentrate sulfuric acid. Procedure is that set up the apparatus, place some common salt in the flask and pour concentrated sulfuric acid through the thistle funnel. The reaction proceeds slowly in the cold on heating the mixture. Gently there is effervescence and hydrogen chloride gas is evolved in a controlled manner. The gas is dried by passing through a washer bottle containing concentrated sulfuric. It is collected upward displacement of the air in a gas. Remember that hydrogen chloride is collected in a upward displacement. So reaction will take place is sodium chloride plus concentrated sulfuric acid. Temperature is below the 200 degrees Celsius. Sodium bisulfate plus HCl. it is a reversible reaction, so it goes to completion as hydrogen chloride continually escape as a gas. So now remember that sodium chloride is cheap and thus it is preferred for the preparation of HCl over other metal chlorides. Purification, how we can purify it? It is dried by passing concentrate sulfuric acid. So other drying agent like phosphorus pentoxide or quicklime cannot be used since they are wrecked with the hydrogen chlorides. So my dear students, remember that this question can be important, that why only sulfuric acid can be used for dry the hydrogen chloride gas in place of phosphorus pentoxide or the quicklime. So it is because these drying agent can react with the HCl gas. So it can, I already told you that it can be collected in the downward delivery displacement of air. It is not collected over water because it is highly soluble. The hydrogen chloride gas can be identified when a fume appear above the jars. Precautions: the lower end of the thistle funnel must be dipped in the concentrated sulfuric acid. The delivery tube should be dipped in drying agent just as the sulfuric acid. Temperature is maintained at nearly 200 degrees Celsius. Some physical properties. It is a colorless gas. Its smell is pungent, choking. Its taste is sour. It is corrosive in nature. It is about 1.25 times heavier than the air. Its boiling point is minus 83 degrees Celsius and melting in minus 113 degrees Celsius. When subjected to high pressure at low temperature, it is liquefied. How you can demonstrate its density? To show it, HCl gas is heavier than air. You can take a funnel and put a tube in it, candle in it, and burn it. And another jar in which you have hydrogen chloride gas is placed forward on this cylinder. You will notice that slowly the air start to come out the jar, and HCl gas start to go to in the jar in which you kept the candle. And after some time you will notice that the candle is blows off. It proves that it is a hydrogen chloride gas. Its solubility, to demonstrate its solubility, this experiment we will discuss in the next video. Fountain experiment, it is very important, and its chemical property also we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.